God bless you. God bless you again.
He's not afraid of humans.
Yeah, I'm like, wildlife isn't supposed to come towards you.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be afraid of us. Should we act big and scary?
Oh,
Oh, God bless you. Oh, I understand.
Bless you.
Your family's over there, dude.
And they're like, he's kind of close to the humans.
They're like, you're supposed to stay 50 yards from the humans, dork.
Yeah. Like, you guys got, he probably wants off.
I've got some off, but I'm not sure it tastes very good when you groom yourself later. Let's get the family over there.
Ah. Huh.
Okay, dude. Crossing road. I wonder if he doesn't feel good.
Yeah. Maybe he's got human sickness.
Yeah. Too many fat humans. Off you go. Okay, let's get your family now.
Yeah, the doe or the little bitty baby
Yeah.
in the shade.
I cannot believe that deer